Welcome to 100 Days of Skills and Certification, a short review program I do for the last 100 certifications I have obtained by studying online. And today is day 18. We are looking at a certificate I received from the Great Learning Platform for GIT, that is the code repository that is very popular around the world. So GIT is a code storage and code maintenance platform where you can manage your codes for your different projects and make it available for others to use, and also to control the versions and the changes you make to your code. So it's a very good tool, and this tutorial is very detailed, and I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to learn how to use the GIT platform. So I studied and obtained this certificate from the Great Learning Platform in August 2023. The details of the course are available in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out if it's something that interests you. And make sure you follow me on all our social media platforms so that you can keep up to date with the reviews that I'm going to be doing for all the other courses. So thank you so very much, and see you in the next video.